Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jirbie, your certified aromatherapist. For today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to properly do your jade roller. So this is a video requested during the SGOP mid-year convention where I held a talk about aromatherapy to over 50 gynecological oncologists here in the Philippines. And they requested for a video teach them how to use their Pili Ageless concentrate with their jade roller. So if you want to learn how to use your roller with your Ageless concentrate properly, then stay tuned. Okay, so first let me just wash my face and make sure that everything is clean. So let's start by Okay, so while your skin is still a bit damp, get your Ageless concentrate. And what I like doing is, you can either put a drop of this serum directly onto your face, but make sure that the tip of your dropper will not touch your skin to avoid contamination. So one drop on the forehead, one drop on each side of your cheek. You start low and eventually build up. So, or you can put a drop on your finger or on your palm and just spread it all over your face very gently. So what I like doing, and this gives me more control, is I put a few drops on my palm, just like so, and just press it onto my face. And even down my neck. Okay, you want to make sure to spread your skincare down to your neck, down to your décolleté, and make sure that your skincare reaches even up to that point. Alright, so let's start with our jade roller. So here's my facial roller. It's actually steel. I prefer this over jade roller or rose quartz roller because this is non-porous, so it doesn't really harbor bacteria and it doesn't really get a lot of those residue. It's easy to clean. Before using your roller, facial roller, you have to make sure to spritz it with alcohol to sanitize it, just to start with a clean slate. So after putting on your skincare or your Ageless concentrate, I like starting from my neck. It's important to start with your neck, about 5 rolls per side, and this helps flush out all those lymphatic drainage. So you just have to be gentle. You're not pulling, you're not tugging any of your skin. Just be gentle and roll 3 to 5 times for each side. And then you can start from your jaw, move up, and go down. From your jaw, move up, and go down. Do this about 3 to 5 times per side. If you have plump jaw or a lot more thing to work on, you can roll it multiple times. But since mine is a little bit lean, so I don't really do that. More on the lymphatic side. So after that, you start with your lip and move up. And then use your upper lip with the small end always towards your ear or upwards and outward to the drainage points. Next is the side of your nose and your cheeks. Again, 3 to 5 times per side. And under your eye with the small end. At this point, it's so relaxing. And then your eye, just gently, especially this is a very delicate area. And your brows. So usually we hold a lot of tension on this part, especially when we're very focused and concentrated. You tend to do this. So just flatten out all those lines. And finally, your forehead. You can also do this, upward and outward. And after that, I like going around from the bottom to up again, just to make sure to flatten all the puffiness, but still being very, very gentle. And the Ageless Concentrate normally gives you that proper slide, that slip, so you don't really tug anything from your skin. It just helps the roller glide on your skin very smoothly, very naturally. And at this point, you can feel that your face has been massaged upwards and outwards. There's like firming action. You can feel very rejuvenated. And it's like a quick 10-minute home spa for yourself. So that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned how to handle your facial rollers. If you have any other questions about using your jade roller, don't forget to shoot them down below through the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!